Hello. 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 Can you hear me? Oh my God. Okay, can you hear me?
Today,
Hello.
hello teacher.
Oh, okay. Can you see me? Okay. What's the matter? What happened? Okay. The mom is preparing your.
No,
Is that a phone or computer?
no, really.
Okay, can we start?
Yes.
Okay, good morning. What is your
Good
name, please?
morning, teacher.
What is your name?
My name is Haya.
Hi, Dong. Am I correct?
Yes,
Hi, Dong.
yes,
Okay. Nice to meet you. I'm teacher Mel. So are you ready for today's lesson?
yes.
I think you're a bit late. It's been 15 minutes ago, so we only have 15 minutes. Okay, let's go and let's learn together. Okay, look at the screen. Can you see my screen? Can-
Yes.
Okay, wait a minute. I just trying to. Okay. Okay, you have to look and listen to teacher. Let's start. Okay. We will skip that because I just remove my audio or my video because I thought you're absent today. Okay, let's go. What is it? Look at the
This is
picture.
my sister.
Sister. Okay, that's right. Sister, do you have a sister?
Yes.
Yes. How old is she?
She is 30 years old.
Again? I heard 30 years old. How old is she? 3 years old?
30.
13. Oh, you're older sister. You have an older sister. Okay. Okay. Can you read this one 3 times?
Sister.
Sister,
Sister.
sister,
Sister.
sister. Okay, very good. Okay, now kindly read the sentence.
Lucy and Lily are sisters.
Sisters. We have an S here.
Sisters.
Okay, that's right. Okay, can you name your sister? What is the name of your sister?
Her name is Chi.
Again, what is
Chi.
Shim?
She name is Chi.
Oh no, I can't hear clearly. I'm so sorry about that. I, I heard again. Again, what is her name?
Her name is Wang Chi.
One Chi. Okay,
Yes.
by the way, it's okay. I think it's my I have difficulties in hearing. I think. Can you say it again so that I can hear you clearly? What is her name? Can you say,
She
can you state the name? is my sister. You say the name of your sister, then is my sister.
Is my
Example.
sister.
Okay, example. Teacher Mel is my sister. How about yours? Say the name of your sister, then tell me, is my sister. Can you do it? Okay. Say the name of your sister. She is my sister. Can I
She is
go for?
my sister.
Okay, she is my sister. Okay, let's go. What is this? A
It's a
sister.
little sister.
Okay, little sister. Can you read it again?
Little sister.
Okay, very good. Again.
Little sister.
Okay.
Little sister.
Okay, good job. How about this one?
My little sister is very funny.
Okay, that's right. Okay. Do you have a little sister? Not the older one.
No,
Okay.
no.
Would you like to have one? A little sister? Would you like to have a little sister? Hey, Dan, would you like to have a little sister like this one? Do you like?
No,
No, why? I think little sisters are cute. You don't like why? Okay, can you tell me the reason why you don't like little sister? Can
he's very short.
because it's very short. But I think it's cute. Okay, that is your reason why you don't like to have a little sister. Okay, let's go. Oh, what is this? There's what do you call
Family.
her? A mother,
Mm,
and this one
Mommy,
father, this
daddy,
one,
mother and father.
and this one
Mother, brother,
brother, and this one
sister.
okay, sister. So
Si-
what are they called?
family.
Family. Okay, can you say it again?
Family.
Family. Family.
Family.
Okay, very good. Again.
Family. Family.
Okay. That's right. Okay, can you read the sentence below?
There are 4 people in my family.
Okay, there are 4 people in my family. Can you count how many people in your family? You have to include your mommy, your daddy, you, your older sister. How many people in your family?
I have 5 people in my family.
Okay, can you say it again? There are 5. Go.
There are 5 people in my family.
Very good. That's right. Okay, let's go. Who's Timmy's sister? Is this Timmy's sister?
No,
How about this one?
no,
Okay. How about this one?
no.
No, how about this one? This is Timmy. So, can you encircle where is Timmy's little sister?
It's
Can you
here.
encircle on your screen? Oh, very good. That's right. That is his Timmy's little sister. What is her name? What do you think is her name? Can we
Her
name
name is
her?
Her name is Lily.
Lily? His name is Lily? Okay. What other names mm, can be named her? Can be Rose, can be Jane. Okay, let's find out what is Timmy's little sister's name. Okay, go. Let's go. And let's go here. Oh, look at the picture. Who's missing? Who's missing? Look at the first picture and compare it with the second one.
Picture 1 have a little
Sister.
little sister, and picture 2 don't have a little sister.
Okay, yes, the second picture don't have a little sister. So the missing person is Timmy's little sister. Okay, let's go. Oh, what is that? What is that? It's too blurry. Can you identify what is this picture?
The picture is the family.
Okay, very good. The picture is about the family. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have to talk and read. Okay, can you read first, then we talk later. Okay, can you read? Hi, Dan, you have to read this one, Timmy.
Timmy, how many people are there in your family? There are 5 people in my family. Look, Jack, my little sister, Emma.
Okay, there are little sister. Okay, I think that's why I didn't hear you because my audio is in the computer. Can you say it something? Oh, oh no. My audio is in the laptop. That's why I didn't hear you clearly. I'm so sorry. Okay. Can you say it again? Okay, can you say it again? Can you read it again? I'm so sorry about that. Okay, Timmy.
Timmy, how many people
Okay, very good.
are there in your family?
Okay, Timmy, how many people are there in your family? Okay, next. But this one,
There
there,
are
there are.
there are 5 people in my family. Look, that's my little sister Emma.
Okay, okay, we'll try this. Okay, let's have a role play. You'll be Timmy and I am Timmy's friend. I will read this part and you read this part. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's start and let's read. Timmy, how many people are
Timmy.
there in your family? You have to say this part, not this part. Only this part, okay?
Timmy.
Okay, you have to read this part only. There are 5 people. Okay, let's do it again. Timmy, how many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. Look, that's my little sister Emma.
Okay, Timmy's pointing to her sister. Is this Timmy's little sister? Emma? Is this Emma?
Is here.
Okay, thank you for showing me where's Emma. Okay, so the name of Timmy's little sister is Emma. And not Lily. Okay, let's go and let's proceed here. Oh, can you read that?
Oh, she is lovely. It
Lovely.
seems like she is always playing with toys.
Okay, can you
Yes.
do it again? Okay, wait a minute. Can you read again? Oh,
Oh, she is she
lovely.
is
It
lovely.
seems,
It
wait a
seems
minute. Read it with teacher. Okay. It seems,
it seems
it seems
it seems
like
like
she
she
is
is
always,
always
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 playing
playing
with dolls.
with dolls.
Okay. Can you see the picture? Where is the doll?
The doll is here.
This the doll. Okay, that is the doll. Okay. Yes, what is his reply? Yes.
Yes,
Emma
Emma
likes
like
to
to
play
play with
dolls.
dolls.
Dolls, not dolls. Dolls.
Dolls.
Okay, very good. That's right. Okay, can we do it again? I will do Timmy's part and you say Timmy's friend's part. This one. Okay, you have to say this one only. Okay, let's start. One,
Oh,
two, three, go.
oh, she is love it.
Okay,
It
ag-
seems
again, you have to stop because there's a dot here. She is lovely.
she is lovely.
It
It seems like she is always playing with dolls.
Yes, Emma likes to play with dolls. Oh, I have to change my voice. Yes, Emma likes to play with dolls. Okay, let's go. Let's proceed and let's try another conversation. Oh, about this one. Can you read first before we have a conversation? Okay, go.
Many,
How many
how many people,
people
people are there,
are there
are there in your family?
Okay, now,
There are four, there are four
people.
people in my family.
Okay, let's do it again. I will do the part, Timmy's part, and you'll be the Timmy's friend. Friend. Okay, let's do it again. Go. How many
No.
people are there in your family?
There are four people in my family.
Okay, can I ask you something, Hayden? How many people are there in your family?
There are four, there are
Hmm?
5 people in my family.
Okay, good job. That's right. Friend, Timmy's friend
There,
has 4 people in their family. Okay, let's go here. Wait a minute. Let's do this. Okay. Do you have a sister? Okay, can you read that part?
do you have uh, any sister?
You have to say this one because it has an S. Sisters. Sisters.
Sisters.
Okay, again.
Do you have any sister?
Okay, very good. Sisters. Okay. Do you have any sisters? Okay.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Lily is my little sister.
Very good.
She loves dolls too.
Okay, she loves dolls too. Okay, where is Lily? This is Lily.
And it's Lil- this is to Lily like dolls.
Okay, where is Lily? Where is? Is this Lily?
How is Lily?
Okay, can you circle where is Lily? Timmy's friend's
Okay.
little sister? Where is she? Okay, that's right. She's so cute. Little sisters are cute. Even Emma is cute too. Okay, let's go and let's proceed here. Ooh, we have a question. Do they have any sisters? Okay. Do
I
they
don't have.
any sisters? Yes or no? Do they have?
Yes.
Yes, some of them have sisters. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. Timmy, does he have a little sister?
Yes.
Okay, how about this one? How about this girl?
Yes.
Okay, how about she?
He don't have a sister.
Okay, he don't have any sisters. Okay, let's go. That's all correct. Now let's proceed here. Can you read this one?
There are 7 monkeys in my family. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4.
Oh, false. Okay, why? Why is false?
There are 8. There are 8 monkeys in my family.
Okay, that's right. Okay, you're good at counting. Hmm. Does the monkey have a little sister or sister?
A little sister.
Oh, where is she? This one, I think she's not a little sister. I think she is only a sister. I think she is older. Okay, let's go and let's proceed here. Can you do that? Can you trace and find each
Is here.
okay. Oh, what is that? Can you trace first? Can you do that? Okay.
Timmy is here, and it's here. Jan
Okay. Okay, we have
is
to do
here,
this
and it's
again.
here. Sam
Okay.
is here, and here.
Okay, that's right. All correct. But you have to say there are. Let's start with Timmy. There are.
There are
How many? You have to count. One,
there are
two.
5 people in
Timmy.
my team family.
Okay, very good. Now let's find Jack's family. This one
There
is Jack's
are
family.
4 people just in my family.
Okay, again.
There are 4 people in Jack's family.
Okay, you have to say Jack's with F.
Jack's.
Jack's family. Okay, and the last one.
There are 5 people. There are 3 people in Sam's family.
Sam's family. Okay, that's right. Good job. Again, I will ask you, how many people are in your family? Hi, Dan.
There are 5 people in my family. Me.
Okay, good job. Okay, let's go. And let's proceed here. Oh, I will call you, and you have to say, yes, I do, or yes, I don't. Okay. Do you have any dolls at home?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you have any chairs at home?
No, I don't.
I know I don't. Okay. Can you just base your answer in this picture? Okay. Can you do that? Just base your answer on this picture. Do you have any shoes? Do you have any shoes, Timmy?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any robot?
No, I don't.
Okay, that's right. Do you have a little sister?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you have mm, older sister?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's proceed here. Okay. Today you'll learn about sister. What is sister?
The
What is
sister.
sister for you? What is sister? Okay, sister is a girl. Yes, am I right? Sister is a girl who has the same mom and dad as you, like your older sister. You have the same mom. That's why you call her sister. Okay, how about this one? Little sister. Why is it called little sister?
The poor little sister is have the b- brother and the little sister.
Okay, little sister is who is younger than you. It is a girl, but younger than you. Yours is older than you. That's why you didn't call her little sister. Okay, this one. How about this one? What is that?
This is my family.
Okay, that's right. Okay. Let's do let's do it here. Okay. Can you read again?
There are 5 people in my family.
Okay. Do you?
Do you have any sister?
Yes,
I
I
do.
do. Very good. You did a great job today. I will give you 10 out of 10. Okay. How do you feel today? Lesson. How do you feel how do you feel today? Hi Dan, about our lesson. Is it
Very
okay?
happy.
Oh, you're so happy. Okay, you did a great job today, and I'm so proud that you did all and by participating so well. Okay, I have to say goodbye. Bye-bye, Haida, and see you next
But
time.
sure,
Okay. Oops.
nothing.